So methyl alcohol, what type of bonding is it? As you can see, methyl alcohol, I feel like I spelled alcohol wrong. I don't, maybe I did, maybe I didn't. I can't seem to figure that out right this second. This is the three elements in it: carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. And the amount of different compounds you can make out of these three chemicals, or three substances, is pretty phenomenal. Now there's hydrogen, here's carbon, and here's oxygen. All right? Now, these are all nonmetals, all three of them. Therefore, technically, it's a covalent bond. Excuse me, it's a polar covalent bond but for the sake of this, we're going to go with it being a covalent bond. All right? Now, so this is a covalent bond. The first thing you need to figure out the structure, use the Lewis dot diagrams. So here's carbon, here's carbon, and I'm going to have 4 hydrogens, and I'm going to have an oxygen. Now, when you're dealing with covalent molecules that involve anything, hydrogen is what you would do last, all right? Because if you do it first, you're going to end up using all your spots, all right? See, watch. If I put in the hydrogen right here, there's 4 spots, and each hydrogen needs 1, so I make this. But this is methane. And now everybody in this is happy. So that's not what I want. That's incorrect. Okay? Now, so don't do it. You can if you want, but you don't have to. I would do it last. You could do carbon and hydrogen, oxygen. Now, one thing you'll notice that carbon needs 1, 4, and oxygen needs 2. So you could do a single, and I drew a double. Or you could do a single bond. Now, if I do a double bond, how many more bonds can this one make? The carbon can only make 2 more bonds. So now, if you look at this, this formula would be CH2O, all right? And this is like a ketone. It's similar to acetone. It's not quite acetone, but that's what this is. And this is not the formula that I want. So this is incorrect because the formulas don't match. Now, if I do a single bond between the carbon and the oxygen, carbon and the oxygen, how many more spots do I have? 1, 2, 3, H, 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 and then, all right? You can draw it with the dots if you want. I find the sticks much more easy, all right? So this would be a covalent bond. Now, this is incorrect. This is the correct answer. It's all right to arrive at I forgot an H. It's all right to arrive at an incorrect answer because that tells us one way we did it wrong and how not to do it. But this is what we want. Either you don't need both of these structures, either would work. All right? You got this. Let me know if I can help.